Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. AC here is the diameter of the semicircle and BD is perpendicular to AC. So means this is 90 degree. If this AB length is 18 centimeter and BC is given as 8 centimeter, then we have to find the length of BD. So we can see in the figure, if this is our semicircle and it is given that this line BD is perpendicular to this diameter AC. Let's say this O is our center, and also it is given that the length of AB is 18 and BC is 8. So from here we can see diameter is AB plus BC, which is equal to 18 plus 8. So diameter is given, which is equal to AB plus BC, which is further equal to 18 plus 8 means 26 centimeter. Therefore, if we know the diameter, we can find out the radius OD, or you can see OA or OC. All are the radius, which is half of the diameter. So diameter divided by 2. So it is 26 by 2, which is 13 centimeter is the diameter. So now let us see in right triangle OBD. So this OBD triangle is right triangle because this angle is 90 degree. So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem we can use OD square equal to OB square plus BD square. Here we have used Pythagoras theorem. This OD is our hypotenuse here. So OD square equal to OB square plus BD square. Now let us substitute the value. This OD is nothing but the radius. Let's say it is R. So this here we have calculated R as 13 centimeter. We will use this later. So let's say this is R and this OB distance is this distance AB minus AO, and AO is radius. So we can write it like this: AB minus R whole square plus BD. We can see BD we have to find out in the question. So let it be BD square. So radius we know that it is 13. So 13 square equal to AB distance is given in the question, which is equal to 18 centimeter. So 18 minus 13 whole square plus BD square. So from here we will get BD square as 13 square minus 5 square. 18 minus 13 is 5. So BD square is equal to 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. Therefore we can say BD square is 12 square because 144 is 12 square. So from here we get BD as 12 centimeter. So this is our answer. Now let's check the option. 12 centimeter is option D. Therefore, we can say that the answer is option D.